So I posted a while ago that I was going to build a new workbench, and here it is. Got these plans off of Fine Woodworking. Kind of a cool bench, different than other ones I've ever seen, made out of pretty cheap materials. It's got this interesting vise set up on top. Pull out these panels. You can then move these pipe clamp pieces. Move this down so you have a vise, then you can put the panel back in to support, and then you can put a piece inside here and use just these pipe clamps to tighten it down so it's held in place like that. So you have a full length of the entire bench for a clamp. It's also got this cool setup here, so you can take a piece of wood and just slide it in the end and hold it to work on it. You can plane right across the top, it won't go anywhere. Kind of cool. And instead of a front vise, which is pretty normal on a bench, it's got all these holes along the bottom. And you take one of these pipes that I have conveniently under the table, mount them in the front, like this. So now those are mounted there, and then grab one of these shop-made pieces, and now I've got a clamp on the front of the bench, and I can move that anywhere down the length of the bench to clamp items on. This rail down here that's holding this piece of wood right now, I'll pull that out. So this rail moves up and down on another set of pipe clamps right here, so you can drop this all the way to the floor or raise it all the way up to bench height if you were doing smaller work. So that moves either way. I also added a couple convenient things, put a tape measure on either end, so if you're working you can always grab a tape measure. I do plan on putting some wheels on, haven't quite done that yet. But other than that, it's a pretty cool bench that I built, and it's all out of basically lumber from Home Depot. So there you have it.